Hilig ka bang gumamit ng noise-canceling headphones? This video is for you. So, noise-canceling headphones reduces ambient sound intensity, and therefore, it alters the acoustic input your brain receives even at safe listening levels that can also affect how the brain practices real-world listening skills, such as differentiating speech from background noise. Active auditory processing develops through exposure to natural sound complexity, and this is critical for speech in noise perception and sound discrimination, tasks that involve the central auditory pathway. Auditory processing disorder, or APD, is real. It's a measurable condition where the brain struggles to interpret sounds despite normal hearing thresholds, and it is characterized by difficulties with speech understanding in complex listening environments and other central auditory functions.